Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ika Ramasarita and you can call me Ika. I'm from the chemistry department, class E. I will present the course on the history of Islamic civilization with the title of the development of Islam in Africa. Thank you for attention and let me get started. Okay, the first thing we will discuss is the introduction. We will talk about Islamic history. Our focus offline shifts historically to Middle Age. Yet Africa has held a very start and strategic roles since the early days of the prophet. America was the continent that welcomed Muslims with open army when they were opponents in Makkah during the Hijrah al-Habashah. Over time, these regions transformed into a center of Islamic economy, cultural, and intellectual power of Africa. With the starting point of the development of science as a means of spreading Islam, I will ask the spirits of Islam toward trade and marriage. The process of entry and spirit of Islam in Africa. First immigration to Abyssinia, the history of Islam in Africa began long before the official Muslim military conquest of the continent in 615 CE, approximately 83 Muslim from Mecca immigration to Abyssinia, Ethiopia, at the behest of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This immigration was promised the oppression and persecution of Muslims by the Quraysh at the time, the second Arab and Persia trends. Islam was also spread by Arab and Persia trends, the Red Sea, India Ocean, and Trans-Sahara. The routes, the introduction, Islam through trends, and so interaction with local community. The development of Islam politics in Africa. The rise of Islamic dynasty in North Africa. Umayyad dynasty 1661 to 750 CE. North Africa was controlled by governors from Damascus expansion, reached Morocco and Spain. Abbasiyah dynasty 760 CE gave birth to independent local dynasty Al-Gabishi in Tunisia, Fatimids in Egypt, Almoravids and Almohad in Morocco. The root of the spirit of Islam in Africa. First, North Africa, through military expansion led by Amr bin As, Islam then spread to Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, and Morocco. Second, with West Africa, Islam spread through Trans-Sahara trades. Berber Muslim transport Islam to the kingdom of Graha, Mali, and Sohai, and leading to its rapid expansion in the region. Third, as Africa, Islam spread through India Ocean trends. Port cities such as Mogadishu, Kilwa, and Zanzibar became centers of trade and the spirit of Islam. Three great Islam empires in the West Africa. First, Mali Kingdom, peak of glory under Mansa Musa, famous throughout Europa and the Middle Ages to age. Second, the largest Songhai kingdom in the West Africa, the Golden Era under Askia Muhammad. Timbuktu became the center of Kennedy of the Islamic world. And third, the kingdom of Graha was a forerunner of Islamic civilization Africa regions. Government system. First, the Turk is dominant in North Africa. Judges hands cases according to Sharia. Second, in the West and as Africa, Sharia is combined with local community customary law. Third, ulama acts legal and religious advisor to rulers sultanates in East Africa. First, Kilwa Sultan Tanzania controlled the gold trends from Zimbabwe. Two, Mogadishu, the capital of Islam on Somalia since the century AD, recorded by Ibn Battuta. 3. Zanzibar was a trading center led by Basid dynasty in the country 80. Okay, social, cultural, educational, and economic development. Islam influenced the social and cultural life of Africa people through as a cultural with local tradition. The Arabic language and Arabic script development widely participate cultural in Sahwali and Hausa. In the field of education, Center of Learning as Al-Azhar University and Timbuktu emigrated, producing many scholars and scientists. Economically, Islam encountered trade across the Sahara and the Indian Ocean, with key commodities such as gold, salt, and ivory. Islam economics principles such as honey, zakat, alms, and the prohibition of usury riba were also applied in trade. Challenge and factor of decline of Islam civilization in Africa. First, Europa colonialism weakened Islam kingdoms in Africa and undermined Islamic political and economic system. Second, internal conflict power strongest between kingdoms weakened the unity of the Muslim community, making them vulnerable for being dominated. Third, the influence of colonialism on education and cultural West education began to realize Islam education, marginalizing Islam cultural and tradition. Based on the discussion, it can be concluded that Islam entered Africa in the 8th century AD through the immigration to Habasha, trade, raising education and marriage. Islam development rapidly in North, West, and East Africa in the gave birth to kingdom and education. Countries big Islamic contribution such as Mali, Songhai, Timbuktu, and Al-Azhar. Apart from development in the fields of politics and education, Islam also has a major influence on the culture and economy of of African social welfare and Europa colonialism and internal conflict. It 2000 Islamic civilization in Africa until now. The history is of Islam in Africa is referred from that Islam the African development and adapt to various social cultural. I hope it was clean and give you some good insight. Thanks a ton for watching until the very end, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.